Continent, number of countries. Asia 48, Europe 50, Africa 54, North America 23, South America 12, Antarctica 0, Australia 14. Now, let's see 7 ways to say thank you. You're welcome. That's okay. That's alright. My pleasure. Mention not. Oh, not at all. Never mind. Go to, go on. Go home. Go shopping. Go swimming. Go to school. Go to work. Go to bed. Go on a cruise. Go on a vacation. Go on a date. Now, let's see some words related to go and take. Go. Go abroad. Go bad. Go bald. Go bankrupt. Go blind. Go crazy. Go dark. Go deaf. Go mad. Go on foot. Go online. Go quiet. Now, take. Take a chance. Take a part. Take a bite. Take a shower. Take a seat. Take time. Take notes. Take a decision. Take medicine. Take advice. Take a survey. Take care. Now, Hindi to English translation. तुम बहुत अच्छे इंसान हो. You are such a nice person. किस कॉलेज से हो आप? Which college are you from? क्या वहाँ सब ठीक ठाक है? Is everything alright there? मैं तुम्हारा शुभ चिंतक हूँ. I am your well wisher. कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो. Get something to eat. Now, human body parts in Hindi. Mustache, mooch. Hand, हाथ. Finger, ungli. Thumb, अंगूठा. Beard, दाढ़ी. Neck, गर्दन. Throat, गला. Shoulders, कंधे. Collars, collar. Arms, भुजाएं. Elbow, कोहनी. Wrist, कलाई. Palm, हथेली. Fist, मुट्ठी. Nail, नाखून. Chest, सीना. Breast, छाती. Stomach, पेट. Ears, कान. अब आप लोग बताइए कि बेली का हिंदी क्या होगा. फॉलो फॉर डेली अपडेट्स.